This is our topic, the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. GM, the metacentric height, which is the distance on the metacenter. G, G is means for the center of the gravity. M, the metacenter. Kg, the height of the center of gravity from the keel. This is the key. It means keel. The G, the center of the gravity. Keel of the center of the gravity. G. Km, the height of the metacenter from the keel. Ang katasun sa metacenter sa keel. M to K. Metacenter to keel. KB, the height of the center of buoyancy from the keel. K to B. K to V. B means buoyancy. The center of buoyancy. Center. K is keel. One equal na KB, the height of the center of the buoyancy from the keel. Height, kaso na ni. G of G, the right things lever, which is the horizontal distance between the force of weight and volume. G is diri ang G, the center of the gravity. Tunga.
Explanation. The metacentric height, known as GM, is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. Stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. Factors affecting stability is the shape of the hull, the draft, and the trim that affect all the stability of a ship.
The importance of applying nomenclature for initial stability of ships. Importance of nomenclature. Nomenclature or a system of naming is crucial. Instant trackability. This system enables the immediate tracking of shipments. Applicability to ships. The context is especially related to the ships and shipping industry. Number 4, capability. The word is likely to trace successful tracking. Safetyness, in order to ensure its safety as well as one of the people on board of the ships.